on guys, it's me Lindsay with LindsayMoore.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can make money online simply by posting ads. Now this is something that's really simple to do, and it's going to require Facebook ads. Now I don't want you to have fear about Facebook ads because I know there's a lot of training out there and how people think that say that it's really difficult. No, they don't say that it's difficult to have success with Facebook ads, but they make it seem like there's a lot that you have to learn before you start with Facebook ads. And sometimes the best way you're going to learn is to go ahead and dive in head first and learn from your own data, from your own testing. Sometimes that's going to be the better way for you to actually have success with Facebook ads, okay? So this is going to be a really quick training because it's going to be straight into the point, and it kind of coincides with the video that I did on yesterday on how you can make money online without a website, right? So after you watch this video, make sure you check out that video. Like I said, I released it on yesterday, and it's going to kind of go hand in hand with this particular video because you're pretty much going to be doing the same thing, but we're just adding Facebook ads in order to get our traffic, okay? So, like you guys see right here, this is from Ad Espresso, but this is a Facebook ad pretty much where they are giving away a free ebook, right? So most people, when they're trying to think about posting ads, people are always thinking about the short term. They're trying to post the ad, kind of like almost with e-commerce, post the ad on Facebook. Hey, come to my store, buy this. Come to my website and buy this. Now that's going to work sometimes, okay? It's going to work sometimes, but for the most part, a lot of people do not buy something the first time they see something, right? So what we want to do is we want to build an email list, right? Because if you give away something for free, people will be more likely to give you their email address in order to get that free thing that you want to offer them, okay? So make sure whatever niche that you decide that you want to promote a business in, make sure that whatever you're going to offer them, like a free ebook or whatever, or a free cheat sheet, a free download, a video series, whatever, make sure it solves a problem. Don't just go into this blindly thinking like, well, I'm in the beauty niche and they have this problem, so I'm going to make my ebook or whatever else around this problem. You cannot do that. You have to remove yourself from the equation, do the research, and see what people are having issues with, what people are having struggles with. Once you figure that out, then it's going to help you to figure out what type of ebook you need to generate, cheat sheet, whatever. That's going to help you to do that. If you give away something for free that's going to solve a problem, it's going to help to increase your conversion rates because people are going to want that free thing because you're actually giving a solution to a problem that they are currently having, okay? So that's the reason why you want to do this, all right? So this is a prime example of an ad that you're going to do on Facebook, and you just want to have like a little image of what they're going to get, which is like a little ebook, and you can get images like this created at Fiverr.com, and then just tell people like what they're going to get for free if they go ahead and click on the download button, okay? So once they have done that, now you might be asking, why are we going to give away stuff for free? Well, everybody likes free stuff. I don't know about you, but a lot of people like free stuff. And again, just how I mentioned before, people will be more than likely to give you their email address the first time they see your ad than to click on your ad and buy something, okay? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to build up that email list. And again, make sure it solves a problem and it provides value. Now, you may be asking, okay, yeah, Lindsay, we're collecting emails, but when do I make money? All right, when you're going to make money is you're going to sell them on the back end. And what I mean by this, once you have them on your email list through a series of, several emails that you'll be sending to them over the next few days, weeks, months, or whatever else, that's when you're going to sell them, okay? Now, once they are on your email list, you want to continue to send them emails that have valuable content and that also, you can provide products and services that's related to that niche. So if you're like in the health and fitness niche, okay, you may want to send some emails, how to get rid of that unwanted belly fat in the next 90 days. You can send something like that. You can send emails on how to, the best ways to do intermittent fasting or something like that. You want to send valuable content like that. And then once you send some value content, the next thing you want to do is you want to start providing some products and services, okay? So whatever product or service that you wanted to sell them in the beginning, you're going to sell them now on the back end with the emails, okay? And you're going to drive that traffic to your website, to your store, whatever, to your affiliate page or whatever, so that way they can purchase that particular item. And you can also offer high ticket products that way too, right? So like if you're in the internet marketing niche, there's always like affiliate marketing products that are being released that that cost anywhere from like $2,000 on up. Well, with those particular products, you can promote that to your list, and you can earn, like most of these companies, they do like 50% commissions. So that's a way that you can earn $1,000 per sale if you do something like that. You can offer high ticket products on the back end. So this is going to be like the simple setup, guys, right? So again, we have our Facebook ad here where we're telling them they can get a free ebook. So they're going to click on download, and it's going to land on this lead capture page that we can create inside of lead pages, ClickFunnels, or something like that. I'll put all that information below this video so you can take advantage of those free trials, because you definitely want to make sure that you have like some lead capture page system in order to build any type of business online, okay? So they're going to land here. So it's congruent to what the ad is saying right here. It's going to be lead generation with Facebook ads. They're going to click on download, and it's going to bring them to the thank you page. Now on this thank you page, we can just go ahead and just give them a straight link to the ebook download, so that way they go ahead and download it. We can also have that link there, or we can have like a video here telling people, hey, go check your email in the next 5 minutes. That's where I'm going to be sending you your free ebook download. But in the meantime, I'm so-and-so, and over the next few days and weeks, I will be sending you more valuable content that's going to be really helpful to your business, or that's going to help you to lose more weight, to help you get in shape, or whatever your niche is. You want to kind of just word it that way, so that way now they know that to expect emails from you over the next few days, okay? But this is going to be the basic setup, and you can start off with $5 per day ads, and then you can start building up your email list, okay? Now, the one good thing about like with Facebook, especially if you are kind of low on funds, you know, you can work yourself up to get a higher Facebook ad credit, okay? So when you first start with Facebook ads, I think you can run up to they'll run up to like $25. Then they will bill you. Once you have made a successful payment of that $25, then you can spend another $25, which will bring your threshold to $50. Once you make that payment of $50 or something like that, and then it goes up to like $100, $500, $750, and so on, or whatever else. So you definitely want to do that, because now you're building up some Facebook ad credit. So come like next month you want to run some ads, and for whatever reason, if you just don't have the money to place ads, you already have a credit, an ad credit set up inside of your Facebook ads account, so that way you can use that to help you to generate some sales or whatever the case may be. But that's how you're going to do that. You can start off with $5 per day ads and do this complete setup right here in order to generate some income. Now, once they are on our email list, we're going to kind of follow the same sequence right here, right? So we're going to send them a value email, just like how I said, like how to get rid of that unwanted belly fat. Value email 2, which you'll send out the next day or the day after. How to lose those last pesky 10 pounds or something like that. Then the next email we're going to send, hey, it's this supplement that's going to help you, this natural supplement that's going to help you to lose that belly fat without exercise or something like that. And then we're going to include a link to that sales page where they can go to that sales page, learn more about that supplement, and purchase. That's how you're going to do that. And once you have done that, we're going to go back through this sequence again. We're going to send them another value email, then another value email, then we're going to sell them again. And then we're going to go back and do the same thing. You're just going to keep that same process over and over and over again, okay? So that's what you're doing. If you follow with this sequence, it's great because you're providing a lot of value and you're not overselling your list, okay? You want to nurture your list, you want to provide value, so that way they feel more comfortable with pulling out their credit card and buying, okay? That's the whole goal with this. So remember this, when you are picking a niche, make sure that it's large enough that it has a lot of people in it and it has a lot of products to offer. Prime example, health and fitness, internet marketing, beauty, depending on some hobbies or whatever else, they have large enough audiences or whatever else. And then also you want to find you some high ticket products or courses that you can offer to your list, right? That's how you're going to get those big bumps or those big surges of income each month with your email list if you do that, okay? So if you only are selling low ticket items inside of with your email list, yeah, you can make a few $1,000s per month or whatever else. But if you offer some high ticket products, you can definitely see $1,000 commissions, $500 commissions, or whatever else. And again, that's going to boost up your income for that month if you do that, okay? Because you're earning higher ticket commissions, okay? Or if you're in the internet marketing niche, or you have your own product or service that you can create and promote to your list, you can do that as well. And that way you're getting 100% commissions, okay? So hopefully you found that video helpful, guys. It's really, really simple. Like I said, watch the video that I did on yesterday, and it'll kind of, like I said, coincide with this particular video. You're going to be doing the same kind of setup, but we're just running Facebook ads to get traffic, okay? So underneath this video, there's a link, or you can go to this link right here. Is lindsaymoore.com/48K. And in this video training, I'm going to share with you how you can create a $48,000 per year side hustle. That's about like $4,000 per year. Not per year, per month. So you can go to that link right there. I will put the link, the direct link underneath this video. Underneath this video, you're going to see the title of the video. You're going to see some text that says see more. Click on that see more, and then you're going to see the links to this, also links to my social media, so you can find me on social media. If you have any questions about this video, comment below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. And until the next one, guys.